Welcome home to 4401 Robmar Drive in sought-after Mount Airy, Maryland. We have an open house here every single day. We just need 3 hours notice to get the home prepared for you. Just go to www.4401robmar.com and schedule a time to see this beautiful home in person for your own private tour. This beautiful brick-faced colonial home sits on a large corner lot on the top of the hill, looking over the beautiful countryside in sought-after Samhill estates. And the sellers have just had a new roof installed. This meticulously maintained house is just waiting for you to call it home. The stunning cherry floors will impress you as you enter this home. They are throughout the first floor living area, and they are in immaculate condition and are just simply beautiful. The gourmet kitchen is bright and open with stainless steel appliances and beautiful black granite countertops. The natural gas stove and the stainless exhaust hood, along with the center island bar, make this kitchen a wonderful place to cook and to entertain. There are plenty of cabinets in storage, and the cabinets are tall for extra storage. From the kitchen, walk through the French doors out to the oversized screened-in covered deck. Plus, there's another half a deck that's uncovered and perfect for the barbecue or outside picnic. And the views are just stunning. Plus, under the deck is a covered dry patio with a hot tub and privacy. The sellers use the family room as a living room. There's plenty of space for a large couch and a couple of oversized chairs. With the gas fireplace, it's a wonderful space to relax at the end of a long day. The sellers use the formal living room as the dining room, and the dining room they've converted into a bar. All of this can easily be converted back to any way that you would like it. The large 2-car garage has room for 2 cars and tons of storage, with attic space above the garage for even more storage. There is room for a second fridge, the lawnmower, and whatever else you need to tuck away. There's a separate laundry room off the kitchen and a half bath. The master bedroom is huge with a walk-in closet and a master bath. The master bathroom includes a soaking tub, a separate shower, a separate water closet, and a large mirror with the vanity lights. There's an office or a nursery just off the master bedroom, and 2 additional oversized bedrooms on the second floor, along with a large full bathroom. The walkout basement is completely finished and goes out to a protected covered patio with the hot tub that will convey with the home. There is also another large bedroom in the basement with a closet and access to a full bathroom. The sellers have put protection under the deck to whisk away the rain or any other weather if you want to stay dry and sit out on the patio during a rainstorm or enjoy the hot tub during inclement weather. This house has everything you could want, so now it just needs you. Go to 4401robmar.com and schedule your time to see this amazing home. See for yourself how magnificent and lovingly maintained this home is. Go to 4401robmar.com and schedule your private tour of this home today. Again, we just need 3 hours notice to get the house ready for you. Stop on by.